I seek refuge in Allah from Satan, the expelled from His mercy. When the occurrence occurs, there is, at its occurrence, no denial. It will bring down some and raise up others. When the earth is shaken with convulsion, and the mountains are broken down, crumbling, and become dust dispersing, and you become of three kinds, then the companions of the right, what are the companions of the right? And the companions of the left, what are companions of the left? And the forerunners, those are the ones brought near to Allah in the gardens of pleasure, a large company of the former peoples and a few of the later peoples, on thrones woven with ornament, reclining on them, facing each other. There will circulate among them young boys made eternal, with vessels, pitchers, and a cup of wine from a flowing spring. No headache will they have therefrom, nor will they be intoxicated. And fruit of what they select, and the meat of fowl from whatever they desire. And for them are fair women with large beautiful eyes, the likenesses of pearls well protected, as reward for what they used to do. They will not hear therein ill speech or commission of sin, only a saying, peace, peace. The companions of the right, what are the companions of the right? They will be among lote trees with thorns removed, and banana trees layered with fruit, and shade extended, and water poured out, and fruit abundant and varied, neither limited to season nor forbidden, and upon beds raised high. Indeed, we have produced the women of paradise in a new creation, and made them virgins, devoted to their husbands and of equal age. For the companions of the right, who are a company of the former peoples and a company of the later peoples. And the companions of the left, what are the companions of the left? They will be in scorching fire and scalding water, and a shade of black smoke, neither cool nor beneficial. Indeed, they were before that indulging in affluence, and they used to persist in the great violation. And they used to say, when we die and become dust and bones, are we indeed to be resurrected? And our forefathers as well? Say, O Muhammad, indeed, the former and later peoples are to be gathered together for the appointment of a known day. Then indeed you, O those astray who are deniers, will be eating from trees of zakum, and filling with it your bellies, and drinking on top of it from scalding water, and will drink as the drinking of thirsty camels. That is their accommodation on the day of recompense. We have created you, so why do you not believe? Have you seen that which you emit? Is it you who creates it, or are we the creator? We have decreed death among you, and we are not to be outdone. In that we will change your likenesses, and produce you in that form which you do not know. And you have already known the first creation, so will you not remember? And have you seen that seed which you sow? Is it you who makes it grow, or are we the grower? If we willed, we could make it dry debris, and you would remain in wonder, saying, indeed, we are now in debt. Rather, we have been deprived. And have you seen the water that you drink? Is it you who brought it down from the clouds, or is it we who bring it down? If we willed, we could make it bitter, so why are you not grateful? And have you seen the fire that you ignite? Is it you who produced its tree, or are we the producer? We have made it a reminder and provision for the travelers. So exalt the name of your Lord, the Most Great. Then I swear by the setting of the stars. And indeed, it is an oath, if you could know, most great. Indeed, it is a noble Quran, in a register well protected. None touch it except the purified. It is a revelation from the Lord of the worlds. Then is it to this statement that you are indifferent? And make the thanks for your provision that you deny the provider? Then why, when the soul at death reaches the throat, and you are at that time looking on, and our angels are nearer to him than you, but you do not see, then why do you not, if you are not to be recompensed? Bring it back, if you should be truthful. And if the deceased was of those brought near to Allah, then for him is rest and bounty and a garden of pleasure. And if he was of the companions of the right, then the angels will say, Peace for you, you are from the companions of the right. But if he was of the deniers who were astray, then for him is accommodation of scalding water and burning in hell fire. Indeed, this is the true certainty. So exalt the name of your Lord, the Most Great.